69 million. That's how many new jobs we expect to have in the economy by 2027. So my question for you is, what are schools today doing to prepare students for these jobs? Well, they're not doing it. The majority of high school students say they're not prepared for the workforce. These are the top 3 skills employers say are needed for future jobs: creative thinking, analytical thinking, resilience. So why aren't schools adapting to teach these skills? Well, put yourself in the shoes of a teacher. You already have a long list of academic standards and requirements you need to cover, and then your district administrator comes to you and says you also need to teach career skills. It can quickly start to feel like this: another item on the never-ending list of expectations we place on today's teachers. And we're already in a teacher shortage and burnout crisis. That's why we built Inkwire. It's an AI co-pilot specifically made for teachers to design real-world projects. Decades of research has shown that project-based learning is the best way for students to develop both academic skills and career skills. So let's take a look at how it works. Imagine you're teaching about the Cold War. You choose which academic standards you need to align to, and then you choose what career skills you want students to develop. Next, you collaborate with AI and a research-backed instructional framework to flesh out the various components of your project. Within minutes, you'll get a ready-to-use set of curriculum materials. In this case, it's for a political strategy simulation in which students are, yes, learning about the Cold War, but also building collaboration and citizenship skills. Schools love what we're building. Just this school year, we've signed 6 district contracts, including 3 with New York City public school districts. And Bullitt County Public Schools in Kentucky renewed and doubled the size of their contract from last year. As evidence of our impact, one of the Bullitt County teachers said she is willing to now spend 20 more years in the classroom because of Inkwire. One of the keys to our growth is our partnership model. We partner with some of the leading teacher professional development companies in the country. We incorporate their instructional frameworks into Inkwire, and they help us reach more teachers through their educator trainings. We know this work well. My co-founder Moni and I are both former software engineers and former teachers. We actually met while teaching at the same school district in Oakland. And this photo is actually from a project that our students did together. We presented at the Salesforce Towers, and our students actually presented to Mark Benioff, the CEO of Salesforce himself. We're starting with the 8,000 K-12 school districts that are investing in career-connected learning. But from that foundation, we plan to build the digital infrastructure to enable every student to have a portfolio of their learning through school, work, and life. We're in a moment in history where everything is changing so quickly: technology, society, jobs. It's critical that we are intentional about the future we create. Join us in creating one where learning is purposeful and connects us to the real world and to each other. Thank you.